Shrien Dewani has been extradited to South Africa and is appearing in the High Court for the murder of his wife, Annie Dewani. We're joined by criminal law expert William Booth to discuss the trial. Thank you for joining us.
Great.
So Shrien's been extradited. What can we expect will happen?
Well, the first appearance in the High Court is a bit unusual because people who are arrested would normally appear in the lower courts first, the Magistrates' Court, and then at some later time they will be transferred for a pre-trial hearing in the High Court and after that for trial. Special arrangements are made in this particular instance for him to go straight to the High Court to appear. The issues I think that need to be considered are, one, whether he's going to be applying for bail, which he's entitled to do, and two, the whole issue of his mental health. I mean, this has been his whole defense. He's not mentally fit to stand trial. And part of the arrangement with the High Court when the matter went on appeal in the United Kingdom was that he, if he's found to be unfit to stand trial in South Africa after proper assessment, that he would then return to the United Kingdom. So that is another aspect that needs to be looked at. So if he appears in the High Court, his defense might say, well, we're applying for bail, or they might say we're not applying for bail, but we are requesting that he immediately be seen and taken up for observation at Valkenburg mental facility for him to be tested and assessed, and he is entitled to have his own psychologist, psychiatrist, and other medical people in on the panel to assist coming to a decision as to his mental health. And if he is found by everybody not to be mentally fit to stand trial, well, then the trial can't continue and then he will be returned to the United Kingdom.
So for all intents and purposes, it may be a while until the actual justice system kicks in this trial.
Well, it might be a while before the trial starts. The trial might not start at all. Or there may be conflicting opinions from various specialists. Some might say he's fit to stand trial, others might say he's not. There might be a whole trial or inquiry to determine whether or not the trial should carry on. Because if somebody's mentally unable to distinguish between right and wrong, or is unable during the court proceedings to understand what is going on, then there can't be a trial. And then the matter will be dealt with by having him return to the United Kingdom to obviously have his mental health situation progressed in that regard. So this could take some time. I mean, it will go quicker if everybody agrees that he's not fit to stand trial, well, then there won't be a trial. And if the court later, after an inquiry where there may be a dispute about his mental health, decides in his favor or against, there could be appeals. So there could be quite a period before he actually stands trial or before his return to the United Kingdom. I think, however, there was an 18-month period placed on the whole issue of him being assessed and whether that determination is made. And you know, if it doesn't happen in that time, then he's got to be returned anyway to the United Kingdom. This is an arrangement made, undertakings that were given by the South African authorities during the extradition procedure in the courts in the United Kingdom.